If you want to factory reset your OPPO Reno 15, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, open settings on your phone. Next, over here we have to scroll down and go to system and update. And then after that we can find backup and reset. Now over here we have the reset phone option. And then there is the erase all data option. You will have to enter your screen lock password in order to continue. You can erase all data but keep all your eSIM profiles, or you can clear all data and remove eSIM profiles as well, so depending which option you prefer. And then of course you can choose that one. And then if needed, just follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on the screen. Another way to factory reset your phone is by using the Find Hub or Find My Device. But of course this feature has to be enabled on your phone. So if you go to Security and Privacy and then choose Device Finders, then over here we have the Find Hub, and of course we can make sure that it is enabled. We can also see all the ways to use the Find Hub, so you can use the Find Hub app on another smartphone, or you can just open the browser, let's say on your computer or your smartphone as well. So you want to go to google.com/android/find, and then you will open the Find Hub. Just make sure that the correct Google account is selected, the same one that is on your phone, and then on the left side you should be able to find your OPPO Reno 15. And then once you select your OPPO Reno 15, you should be able to find the factory reset device option. And last but not least, we can also use the recovery mode on your OPPO Reno 15 in order to factory reset your phone. So, in order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. There we go. And then we're gonna slide up in order to restart. And once you restart, you want to press and hold volume down. And you want to keep holding this button, this volume down button, until you open the recovery mode. So you will see the OPPO logo on your screen, but you still want to keep holding volume down button. There we go, we have the OPPO logo, and soon in a couple of seconds we should have the language selection for the recovery mode. There we go. Now in here we can choose English. As you can see, we have format data options, we can select it. We need to enter the code that you will see over here, and then you can perform the factory reset of your device. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.